Yo, what's up, Diamond family? It's your man Vivi, and welcome back to the VVS Academy. As you guys know, I'm here every week dropping off gems, teaching you to record and mix your music better. So if that sounds good to you, stick around. Look, man, I got a really cool video for you guys today. I'm going to be showing you guys 3 steps to get thicker vocals. You know, if you want your vocals to be a little bit heavier, a little bit more full, take over and really dominate the track the way you need them to, you're going to learn that right now. I'm not going to overtalk it. We're going to get right into it. Look, man, if you don't have a template for recording in Logic or in Pro Tools, I got free templates down below. Check them out. They're going to completely change the way you sound, completely change the way that you record, and really inspire you to make some great songs right away. All right, so let's dive into this track. I'll play it back as it sounds now, and then we'll kind of dive into the 3 steps. Let's play it.
Play with your life and get sent to the moon. I was standing outside, I was wondering what good. Mama told me to stay in the house. I said, I see you soon. He got swept off his feet with a broom.
Cool. So already the song sounds good, but as you can hear, the vocal is still a little, it's not all the way there, right? It could really be fatter, it could be heavier, it could really kind of dominate the song more. So let's jump into tip number 1. The first thing you need to do is get a good balance of the beat and the vocal. We already have a pretty decent balance, but I'm going to show you how we achieve that. If you're using any of my templates, you'll have a music bus and a vocal bus, and I keep them right next to each other so that they're easy to kind of watch and balance out. So look at the meters of the two when we play back the track.
Play with your life and get sent to the moon. I was standing outside, I was wondering what good. Mama told me to stay in the house. I said, I see you soon. He got swept off his feet with a broom and popping.
Right, so you see we got a lot more space we can go with the vocal, right? It's there, we can hear most of the words, but some stuff is still getting lost. So the first step is to get a decent balance between the two, where you can hear most of the words, but there's still some stuff getting lost. That's kind of how you know you're in a decent spot, all right? So tip number 2 is compress the vocal well. Let's jump into the vocal compression. We're not gonna mess with any EQ or anything on this vocal. We're only gonna compress. Let's go ahead and, well, a freebie, we'll go with the de-esser. You kind of have to de-ess a vocal, but that doesn't really count. Let's hear what it sounds like.
Play with your life and get sent to the moon. I was standing outside, I was wondering what good. Mama told me to stay in the house. I said, I see you.
Perfect. Let's jump into compression. I'm going to grab the custom opto, and I'm going to aim for 5 to 7 dB of gain reduction. I'm actually going to increase the speed on this one as fast as it goes. I'm going to bring the ratio up to 5, or between 5 and 6. You'll see me probably mess with it some.
Play with your life and get sent to the moon. I was standing outside, I was wondering what good. Mama told me to stay in the house. I said, I see you soon. He got swept off his feet with a broom. Ain't popping no Molly, I'm popping extensions. He talking too much, he got sent to detention. Moving that way, he got hit with a hollow. Guaranteed that he will not. Play with your life and get sent to the moon. I was standing outside, I was wondering what good. Mama told me to stay in the house. I said, I see you soon. He got swept off his feet with a broom. Ain't popping no Molly, I'm popping extensions. He talking too much, he got sent to detention. Moving that way, he got hit with a hollow. Guaranteed.
Perfect. And so you can hear pretty quickly how much the vocal just kind of spread out. It kind of stepped forward a little bit in the mix, and that's literally just because of compression. We didn't really add a whole lot of volume to it. It's really just that the vocal is just a lot more even now, so it can stand up against the beat a little bit better. And tip number 3, you have to parallel compress your vocals, right? So let me show you how we have our parallel compression set up. If you look down here, we have a send to Vox Par, which is vocal parallel. I bypassed it, but it comes set up automatically in all of my templates, my free templates and the instant mix template. But if you go down here to the par channel, we just have a 76 compressor, and you'll see what it's doing when the vocal comes through. So let's play it.
Play with your life and get sent to the moon. I was standing outside, I was wondering what good. Mama told me to stay in the house. I said, I see you soon. He got swept off his feet with a broom. Ain't popping no Molly, I'm popping extensions. He talking too much, he got sent to detention. Moving that way, he got hit with a hollow. Guaranteed that he will not see tomorrow. I was outside riding in Monte Carlo.
Perfect. So do you hear what that parallel compression is adding? It's really a very harshly compressed vocal that's adding a lot of compression, a lot of saturation, and some light distortion, and we're mixing that in with our other cleaner vocal to kind of create a vocal that's always there and always present and always attacking, but also a vocal that has some dynamics and some movement. So it's really a parallel of 2 vocals, and that's really a game changer for getting your vocals to sound full, to sound wide, and to really dominate the mix. So really, man, that's all I can tell you guys. If you need to get your vocals fatter, wider, fuller, follow these 3 steps, man. And if you want to learn these things in a little bit more depth, I'm actually doing a free live training. I'm going to teach you guys how to mix all of your songs professionally in 30 minutes. That simple. Yeah, man, check it out down below. All right, remember, my name is VV, and I'm here for you. Stay humble, make diamonds only. Peace.
Nike. Play with your life and get sent to the moon. I was standing outside, I was running with goose. Mama told me to stay in the house, I said I see you soon. He got swept off his feet with a broom. Ain't popping no Molly, I'm popping extensions. He talking too much, he got sent to detention. Moving that way, he got hit with a hollow. Guaranteed that he will not see tomorrow.